Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sunf token. Now the Sunf token is just about to be listed on a central exchange. It was just announced 6 hours ago. Ticker symbol is SUNF. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So Sunf, SUNF is the ticker symbol. So it was just announced that trading and deposits open for this token on Hotbit tomorrow, September 21st. So today's the 20th. Deposits open at 5 a.m. UTC time on the 21st, and trading opens 7 a.m. UTC time on the 21st. And yeah, so they just announced this on Hotbit's Twitter 6 hours ago. So if you're looking to get this token, you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SUNF, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. So they do have a web page that you can look at. It is sunfproject.com. Over there you can also find a full white paper, 23-page white paper, a lot of info on here. It says a total of 9 countries have fully banned crypto. I didn't even know that. Is that true? Which countries? I don't want to live there. A total of 9 countries have fully banned crypto, hence making it more difficult for over 1.8 billion people across the crypto market. I mean, that seems reasonable. How many countries are in the world? There's an insane amount of countries in the world, so 9 would maybe make sense. But yeah, definitely wouldn't want to live there. 42 other countries have tightened legislation, similarly restricting the ability for banks to deal with crypto or prohibit cryptocurrency exchanges, according to the 2021 summary report by the Law Library of Congress. A combination of both groups indicates that over 3 billion people will struggle to access crypto. Sunf believes the peer-to-peer aspect of cryptocurrencies should be standalone and decentralized, as this will enable ease to access cryptocurrencies. Sunf is building the world's first decentralized crypto-based peer-to-peer platform, integrating over 300 means of buying and selling crypto, hence easing accessibility to the crypto market. Our strategy is simple: integrate means used by everyday people in the crypto space to accelerate the adoption of cryptocurrencies. Sunf is the next solution to peer-to-peer platform built on the Binance Smart Chain. It's the world's first truly decentralized peer-to-peer platform marketplace and liquidity aggregation exchange that offers its community ownership. This project is born out of necessity, as Satoshi Nakamoto's vision for a peer-to-peer electronic cash system has not been fully realized. Given the bottlenecks faced in the industry, Sunf is uprooting barriers that limit billions of unbanked as well as underbanked populations from engaging in cryptocurrencies by integrating means used by everyday people. So the problems here: neglect of unbanked and underbanked, stricter regulations on crypto, nationality, residency, profiling and segregation, growth of DEX and DeFi space, unfair withdrawal limits and undue control, interaction with fiat, terrible and non-existent customer service. I definitely feel that one right there. Zero profit sharing, complexities of centralized exchanges. So those are all the problems there, and you can actually read about each one individually. There's a paragraph about each one, but they're pretty straightforward. But yeah, that's on their white paper. By the way, you can find their white paper at sunfproject.com/sunf/whitepaper.pdf. So it says a couple of decades ago, gold was illegal, but the narrative is different today. We at Sun Finance believe that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. We advocate that peer-to-peer aspect of cryptocurrency trading should be standalone and decentralized. This way, integration of systems used by the unbanked and underbanked to carry out financial transactions can be adopted to ease access to cryptocurrency. When this is done, acceptance of cryptocurrency will be accelerated, and millions of people can be lifted out of poverty in developing the underdeveloped countries. This is exactly what we've set out to do. So they're going to have decentralized peer-to-peer platform, simplified user interface, customer fulfillment, profit sharing, non-custodial architecture, crypto to fiat conversion. And yeah, so there are solutions, no hidden charges or withdrawal limits, hence no limits in accessing your funds. We provide direct deals for our customers and give more benefits to them by sharing 50% of our profits. Zero restrictions. Anyone in the globe can access our ecosystem. Sun Finance is a fully decentralized platform with fiat interaction. Even the unbanked and underbanked can access our ecosystem without any barriers, using 320 means integrated on our platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. We will provide great customer service 24/7 for seamless experience. And Marketverse Sun Finance allows our community to own their online storefront to enable buy and sell personal items and skills. So, yeah, they have the Marketverse here. Our platform is bringing millions of people together. We are aware that what people need. Marketverse Sun Finance provides opportunities for a community to pool together their unique skills and services and monetize the same. People trading cryptocurrency have other needs which we anticipate can be fulfilled in our Marketverse. And yeah, so they're going to have a decentralized exchange, basically a DEX. And that's tokenomics are on here. So it's a BEP20 token, 18 decimal places, total supply 3 billion tokens. Token distribution is split up between marketing, future project expansion and development, advisors, liquidity, staking, LP incentives, reserves, team, and reward pool. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Sun Finance? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Hotbit one where this token's about to be listed tomorrow. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.